I just pulled out a snapshot of some of the pieces of the products, the work samples they shared with us. So we did a pre and a post survey, just asking teachers about their comfort levels, different things like that. And this is a snapshot quote from a teacher that they provided us at the end of the unit after going through the professional learning, after facilitating the unit. This is a direct quote from a teacher, and they shared that this platform was very well written. It was very organized, very teacher friendly to find what you need and where things are located. And they shared that it was really a wonderful tool for teachers to utilize, that the lessons, the activities were really engaging for learners, but it also supported them in being able to individualize instruction to meet the needs of each learner. And you heard some of the educators before me talk about student voice and choice and how that plays into this, right? And so Define Learning has really done a great job of providing an outline, a place for teachers to go to pull from. But one of the coolest things we saw within this pilot was that teachers saw how they could take it and adapt it to make it work for the needs of their classrooms, their specific classrooms, their specific needs. And so two of our third through fifth grade teachers chose to do the food truck entrepreneur project, and they took two very different approaches. One targeted and really focused in on the community with which the students lived within, and this kind of framed the problem within the community not having a lot of food options. And so the project took off from there, whereas another teacher really focused in on, there was a lot of food options, but we're going to bring in a history element to this. So we're going to study different cultures because we need a variety of options within our community. And so you can see how just in those two simple projects, the teachers took it and ran with it and were able to connect it to standards that they were already going to want to address in other content areas. And then on the right-hand side, you see a K2 example. This is a reptile house construction in the K2 world where the students were studying different habitats of animals and tasked to create a zoo habitat for a reptile. And so a really cool thing that this classroom teacher did was she brought in a 3D printer to actually allow the students to design a reptile to then be a part of that habitat that they designed. And so just small ways, it gives teachers a starting point to then take and make it their own and really run with it to the level they want to.